Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to use GPT-4 for free. Now I'm on ChatGPT's website and now is on the May 3rd version. So right now is the GPT 3.5 version, so it's not 4 yet. To use 4 you need to upgrade to Plus, which is going to cost you $20 per month and you don't want to pay for it. So I'm going to teach you how to use GPT-4 for free. So you can use it on your homework, your projects, or any questions that you want to know about. So first of all, you want to go to Bing.com. And right here in the navigation bar, you want to click on Chat. So basically, Microsoft Bing search they're using GPT-4 for their AI chatbot. Most importantly, it's free. So now I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how to talk to Bing AI. So first of all, you want to download Microsoft Edge. So you can click here and you're going to pick your device right here. For me, I click on Mac OS. So after you have installed Microsoft Edge on your laptop or on your device, you want to go to the URL and you want to search bing.com/new. And then you want to click on Chat Now so you can chat with the AI bot. And right now we are on GPT-4 version of Bing AI. You can ask him whatever you want, what questions. I personally like Bing AI better because it has more versions. It has 3 different versions: creative, balanced, and precise. So you can select according to your personal preference. Most importantly, ChatGPT doesn't have any information after 2021. But basically, Bing AI can look for the latest information, which I think is really cool. Most importantly, it can generate images as well. So if you want to type on creative and then type something like create an image of Pikachu sitting on a couch. And then it will start creating the image. I personally think this is very cool because the image is powered by DALL-E AI, which is also created by OpenAI as well. So basically this chatbot combines the technology of GPT-4 and DALL-E AI, and I think this is super cool. You can ask him simple questions such as when is the Pearl Harbor? And then it will look up online. That's basically it. If you guys want to use GPT-4 version for free, definitely suggest Bing AI. If you don't understand well, you can rewatch the video again. Or if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments down below. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll post more contents like this. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time.